Ever since the first computer virus invented by Bassett and Umjud brothers, it turned into a war, and in this war antiviruses play a huge role. They popped up with different names, different features, and different price tags. Everybody knows having a computer without antivirus is like having all your bank money lying on the road without no one to guard them. But when it comes to Android, it's a whole different story. So we're going to walk you through 5 reasons why antiviruses are completely useless on Android. Without further ado, hit the like, subscribe button and turn on all the notifications to never miss a new video. Let's go. 1. Android got built-in security. Now don't think about this like a Windows Defender Android version. All content in the Play Store are constantly scanned by Google. Believe me, if Google says it's alright, it should be alright. Even when you're downloading third-party apps, they have to go through several security. But still, that doesn't make your mobile completely invulnerable to malware, so better go check out my other video on viruses, which I'm sure is on the top right corner of the video. 2. Most of them are fake. If you search the word antivirus, you would be able to see lots of results. Most of them are filled with fake buttons and inject ads to websites. Basically, that means they are making a profit by fooling you, but this is not the main problem, so keep watching. 3. Maybe they are selling your data. Now calm down, it is not like they are selling your bank account credentials or something. What they do is secretly keep track of your interests and sell them to big companies, which helps them to display ads. This is how most social media platforms make money anyway. But when a software is mainly designed with the purpose of selling data or displaying ads, they are known as PUP, which stands for potentially unwanted content. They don't directly harm you, but still it's an invasion of your private space. 4. They aren't effective. On Windows, antivirus can do almost anything. They can scan directories, monitor internet, etc. But on Android, you're not allowed to even access a directory of a program without rooting, which is not recommended. So most antiviruses on Android detects malware using a database which is filled with the names of software they identified as malware by scanning apps themselves. But this is not effective, not even a bit. Like almost anyone who have a tiny bit experience on coding would be able to bypass.